She was digging marriage, yo. Megan had every reason to say what the fuck she said.
But a lot of other times too, so that it's like that too with the third semester, because even the teacher we have next, she like that too.
What?
Okay.
She's like, what?
Like Professor Mary.
Like holding hand?
No, like she just don't be in there teaching that prayer, she just give you work to go.
Yeah, because you have to be like, hey, you should go reach and do shit yourself. Like she might show you how to do the clinical part.
Yeah, but see, next semester is all clinical, like majority is clinical.
Good morning. This is cause number 2021-40913 in the interest of Elia Fitz. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name's Alina Fitz, and Alea is my daughter.
All right, and representing the state of Texas.
Sade Park, Your Honor.
All right, the court will note that Spencer Wayne Norris is the non-custodial parent. He was personally served on July 17, 2021 at 9:06 a.m. at 6641 Burkett Street in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Parker?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to call Helena Fitz. Miss Fitz, who is Elia Roseanne Fitz?
Alea is my daughter.
And how old is she?
She's 7.
When is her birth date?
June 23rd, 2014.
And who is her father?
Spencer Norris,
And how do you know that Spencer Norris is her father?
from conception date.
And was he the only person you were with at the time she was conceived?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking this court to establish a parent-child relationship between Spencer Norris and Elia Roseanne Fitz?
Yes.
Okay. And what type of conservatorship are you requesting? Joint managing conservatorship or sole managing conservatorship?
Joint.
And you're also requesting that you be the parent with the right to maintain the primary residence within Harris and contiguous counties.
Yes, ma'am.
And what type of possession and access are you requesting for Mr. Norris?
The standard.
Okay. And how is your child currently covered for health insurance?
It's Medicaid right now.
And to your knowledge, does Mr. Norris have any other children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
He has one more.
And to your knowledge, is Mr. Fitz employed? Is Mr. Norris employed?
Not that I'm aware of, no, ma'am.
Okay. And so you understand that the medical support, child support, and retroactive child support is all going to be based on the minimum wage presumption.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that the medical support will be set in the amount of $56 per month beginning on December of 2021.
Yes.
You also understand that the child support in the amount of $189 will be set and it will begin on December 1st of 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
And we're also requesting retroactive child support for the period of July 8th, 2017 through the present in the amount of $10,017 to be paid back at $75 per month beginning on December 1st of 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you also requesting that Mr. Norris be responsible for court costs as billed?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're requesting that your address and phone number not be disclosed in this order, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But that is not because of Mr. Norris, correct?
Correct.
You have another child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you don't want your address and phone number disclosed because of the other parent of your other child, correct?
Correct.
Do you fear that if he was to get access to your address, that you or your children could come to some type of undue harm or harassment?
Yes, ma'am.
And does Mr. Norris, does he currently have your address and phone number?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And are you requesting that he be responsible for 50% of all uncovered healthcare expenses?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe this default order is in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you requesting this court approve the default order?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
Please under your spell.
All right, Ms. Fitz, did Mr. Norris contribute to the support of this child uh, since July 8th, 2017?
No, Your Honor.
None. All right. Court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you very much.
Ms. Fitz, you're free to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.